Engine. It's a little low. 370. It's 1980.
1980 Dodge?
Dodge.
So it's 360.
It's a 360?
360
What?
motor?
Yeah, but it's either 360 or 370.
This is it.
370.
360 or
This is it.
No, it's at 360. Yeah. And the only thing is that the steering wheel has lots of play.
So that's the first thing I was
My
saying.
good looking son-in-law Chase. What a beauty. Hey, Dirt.
Yeah.
Oh, Jesus. Oh, Mama Scoots.
Is this easy to access with the
Cassie's birthday. We're having the big birthday party and here she is. Happy birthday, Cass! And she's got her little baby. What'd you do to puppy? He's a big puppy now. Big puppy now.
Big boy.
So now that we got people over here, we're moving. We're moving some stuff.
What are we moving?
Hills.
Hello.
There you go. 30 seconds.
Okay.
Get it, zap up.
Stay
You
with
get,
that.
get your paws off there. Back up, you monkey.
Ben.
No, boys.
Hello.
No. Hi, babe. Yeah, they're heavy, by the way. Oh. No, you can just watch. Okay, 1 minute video, Zills. All right, who feels strong? These two are drivers.
Yeah. The pushers. You guys
The muscle.
Work it.
Oh yeah, look at that. Or once you gotta catch the back wheel here.
Yeah, you're good. Oh, no. Oh, we got to move.
Come on.
Derek's ready.
Feel
What?
me a mom. So cute.
All right. Hold it. My bumper's in the way.
Where's this going?
Rum, rum.
We're going to start you backwards, right?
Anything, John?
Where are you going?
It took 3 of them to push me. Look at that.
Yeah, I got it really tight now. Okay.
Good work,
We gotta get closer to
Go
that.
there. You gotta get close to the frame.
Wait.
We're gonna get pegged, John.
So big. Okay, now go ahead. You think it was a school bus? Okay, stop. Stop. Okay.
You leave like this. Okay.
Yeah. Hey, even close as you can to that thing. We're gonna get a little straight. Push go forward. Just get her straight. Hey! Quit monkeying around, you twos.
I got a little bit of juice.
Let's keep coming this way. There we go. Now
I think it needs to be straighter.
you're both pushing the wrong direction.
Which way are you going?
Oh my god!
So fun. Hey, go heave-ho. Hey, Jules, get a picture of the three stooges in the door there.
Hey, stop. Clean it up.
Nice. Now we're cooking. Chucks.
Guys, we can pick this up real quick and just shift it over.
Oh, that's probably good.
Perfect.
Hey guys.
What? Looks good, eh? Hey, have you ever up, Chuck?
I'm helping. Wow.
Is that a bad
I'll
joke?
just
Is
go
that
in
a
the
bad
back.
joke?
Right here. if you could.
Hey, we're not really straight.
That's okay.
It's okay?
Yeah. Get in the back. We got one in the front already. You're good. Back in front.
Good chucked. Well done, boys.
Wait, keep videoing you, Lisa.
Oh, look at those three. Oh, look at that. Here. Wow.
I thought he was wowing ours.
Manpower.
Manpower right there. Horsepower.
Dad, you're in the way.
All right, babe, let's do it.
No.
Yeah. Oh, it's a handprint on your phone. That's never happened before.
Now my life has come to this, a point in time I would not miss, and I'm plainly sure it's all worthwhile.